Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana from Sonia Technologies. Today I am going to discuss do while loop in C Sharp. This is continuation to previous video, part 28, while loop in C Sharp. Please go through previous video before going to this video. What is do while loop? The do statement executes a statement or a block of statements while a specified Boolean expression evaluates to true. Because that expression is evaluated after each execution of the loop, a do while loop executes one or more times. The syntax of do while loop is initialization, do, later it will execute statements, later increment or decrement, afterwards it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will repeat the do while loop. We'll discuss do while loop using Visual Studio. Launch Visual Studio and create C# console application. Here console dot write off, please provide input number, read the input from command prompt using console.readline, console.readline, and assign to integer variable in input. Here we are getting error like cannot implicitly convert type string to integer. Here readline method returning string, but we are trying to store it in integer, so we need to convert string to integer using parse method. Int dot parse of console.readline, declare do while loop, do console.writeline, print the input, increment input value, input plus plus. Here while condition input less than 5 semicolon, execute this code, control F5. Here please provide input number 2, enter, it will print from 2 to 4. We'll debug this program, put breakpoint here, go to debug, click on start debugging or F5, F11. Here we need to read input from command prompt, 2, enter. First it will not check the condition, it will print the input values, F11. Here input 2, here 2 printed, later it will increment the value, here input is equal to 3, then 3 less than 5, true, then do loop continues, here print 3, then increments, here 4 less than 5, true, then print 4, here 4 printed, here input is equal to 4, it will increment one value, that means input is equal to 5, 5 less than 5, false, it will exit from do while loop. Here output is 2, 3, 4. Here what happens do while loop? First it will execute do while loop at least once, later it will check the condition. If condition is true, then do while loop execution repeated. If condition false, it will exit from program. Now see the difference between do while and while loop. Here while input less than 5, console.writeline, input plus plus. Here we'll write one more statement, console.writeline, do while, here console.writeline, while. We'll comment this code, control K, control C, execute this code, F11. Here input value 6, enter. Here input is equal to 6, 6 less than 5, false, it exits from while loop. Comment this code, control K, control C, uncomment this code, control K, control U, F11, input 6, enter. Here input is 6, but we are not checking input first. First it will execute these statements, print 6, here 6 printed, F11, now input is equal to 7, 7 less than 5, false, it will exit from do while. Here 6 only printed, Here, what is the difference between do while and while loop? Here, do while loop will execute at least once if the condition true or false. But while loop, if the condition is true, then it will execute. Otherwise, it will exit from while loop. So while loop will execute 0 or more times. When we use do while loop is, if you want to execute any code at least once, then use do while loop. If you want to execute the code based on condition, then use while loop. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.